Have you ever wondered how those significant legal decisions, which often shape our society and impact countless individuals, actually come to be? It is a complex and highly structured process that ensures fairness and adherence to legal principles. A judicial ruling is officially formed through a meticulous multi-stage process involving careful deliberation, the drafting of legal opinions, and a formal announcement by the court. This structured approach is fundamental to the judicial system, ensuring that decisions are well-reasoned and grounded in law. The core mechanism begins after all arguments and evidence have been presented. If there is more than one judge, they move into a phase called deliberation, often occurring in a judicial conference. Here, judges discuss the case, review applicable statutes, and consider established legal precedents, which are prior court decisions. They then vote on the outcome. The majority decision leads to the assignment of opinion writing to one of the judges in the majority, who then crafts the court's formal legal reasoning. Practically, the process unfolds with oral arguments, where attorneys present their cases and answer direct questions from the bench. Following this, the judges convene in a private judicial conference to discuss the legal merits and factual details of the case, ultimately casting their votes. The assigned judge then drafts the majority opinion, articulating the legal basis for the decision. This draft is circulated among the other judges for review and suggestions, and judges in the minority may write dissenting opinions, while others might write concurring opinions if they agree with the outcome, but for different legal reasons. Only after this rigorous internal review is the final ruling officially issued and announced to the public. This system is deeply rooted in principles like stare decisis, a Latin term meaning to stand by things decided. It is the legal principle of upholding prior judicial rulings, providing stability and predictability in the law. Judges also apply their judicial philosophy, which can range from originalism, interpreting the Constitution based on its original public meaning, to a living Constitution approach, which views the Constitution as evolving with society. These differing philosophies can profoundly influence the outcome of a case and how a ruling is ultimately shaped. Understanding this detailed process reveals that judicial rulings are not simply individual opinions, but rather the product of systematic analysis, legal scholarship, and a commitment to upholding the rule of law. It highlights how these decisions are carefully constructed to ensure justice, maintain consistency in legal application, and provide a clear framework for future legal interpretations.